Hello kids, come and learn. Very nice. Match the words. D. Very good. Great. Now again. H. Very good. A. Very nice. M. Great. Superb. Now again. Y. Very nice. C. Great. Wow. Now again. Match the word. Wow. Come. D. Very good. A. Very nice. Y. D. Very good. Now again. Match the word. R. Very nice. Superb. Again now. Match the words. M. U. C. Very good, very good, superb. Task is completed. Wow. Chalo. Next task is dinner time. Great, very nice. Come and eat. 1 for 1, 2 for 2. Very good. Eat. Again. 1 for 2 for 2, 1 for 1. Very good. Try this again. Who will eat? Very good. Try this again. Very nice. 1 for 1, 2 for 2. Very good. Wow. Superb. You have done your task. Next task is the hiding rabbit. In this task, you have to find the rabbit in the box. Good. Now, very good. Very good. Now tell us in which box rabbit is hidden. Pick the box. Oh no, it's loin. Try again. Try again. Try again. Oh no, it is giraffe. Again, try again. Very good. Try again. Oh no, panda. Rabbit is hidden very smartly. Try again. Open the box. Oh, squirrel. No, this is not rabbit. Try again. Oh, doggy. You lose again. Try again. Find the rabbit. Oh no, it's horse. Again not found. Try again. In which box? Oh yes, now rabbit is found. Very good. Your new task is feed hungry animals. If the rabbit is hungry, how many rabbits are there? 3. So we need 3 carrots. Very nice. Now the loin. How many loins are there? 3 loins. We need 3 chickens for 3 loins. Very good. How many rabbits are there? 2. We need 2 bread for them. Very good. Monkey. How many monkeys are there? 3 monkeys. We need 3 banana. Very good. Very good. Now there is tiger. And tiger want fish. 2 fish. Very good. Now how many doggies are there? 2 doggies. Very good. Very nice. Squirrel. How many squirrels are there? How many coconuts we need? 1. Very good. Bear want honey. How many bears are there? 2. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Okay, bye bye kids. Will you meet again? Bye, take care.